Let's walk through how to set up an author profile or an author bio, as you can see here, on your Squarespace website. So the one thing I did customize, which is beyond this video, the background to have this border radius here and this light bluish gray. But overall, I'm going to show you how to add this. So we're just on a random blog post right now, and it's showing off this author profile. So if you have multiple authors, it would show off their profile. And if they click on the post, everything on this blog is posted by me, so it's going to show everything. But it would take them to a page where they can then see all the different posts from that author, which is cool. All right, so let's take a look at how we update this information, where we do it in Squarespace. So first thing we do is we just go to squarespace.com, and then you could hover over this. You could click on Account Dashboard, or you could just click on your little image there, and it'll take you into your account. Once you're in your account, you'll see account settings here. You'll click on that. You'll see that the URL is account.squarespace.com/settings. But from there, you'll see the first thing it shows you is your profile. And you'll see image. You could adjust it here. Name, display name. So this is the name I show. I add a little something something here, so it's a little bit sweeter. It shows the website, and then it shows bio. So you'll see I added hello at the end of this statement here, but I'm going to remove that, and I'm just going to hit save. That is good to go. So if I go back to the bio here, you'll see it says hello or hi, and just like that, it is gone away. So that is how you update this text. Now, let's say you want to add this in. You're saying, I don't even see this on my page, and you want to add it in. This is how you do it. So I'm going to go to the back end of my site. And what I'll do is I'm just going to click into this blog post. Let's just click anywhere. The way I could do that is just double click, and now I'm in the post. From there, you'll see I could edit the text here, and this is one specific blog post. But what I can also do is you'll see this edit section. If I click on this, it gives me a bunch of options. Now, it's important to keep in mind this is for all blog posts. It's not just for this one blog post. It is for all blog posts. You'll see here this section they call author profile. So if I turn that off, you'll see it goes away, completely goes away. But then if I turn it back on, it's there. Show author name, well, that is up here at the top. Currently, I do not do this. I just keep it at the bottom. You'll see this written by. If I click on it, it'll go away just like that. So that is how you turn on the author profile. There's a few other options here that you could play with to get the right feel, but that is how you get started. Now, let's say you want to change the author profile. Let's say it's showing up for your developer or someone else that you want to change that profile. Well, I'm still in the editor right now for this specific blog post, and I'm going to go up here. It's hidden. This is completely hidden, but you'll see here, this is the title, and this says post and publish. Well, if I click on this, it brings me into the blog post settings. All right, so I'm going to show you another way how to get here. All right, so now I'm in our actual blog post, and you could get to settings for any blog post by clicking on these three dots as well, and then go to settings. Now, once you're in here, you'll go to options, and this is where you could adjust the author. So you could click here and show off different authors. The author has to have a profile on your website for it to work. So this isn't a place where you create author profiles. They create an account, they get linked to the website, and they're good to go. Now, this brings us to the final point. Now, this is very in-depth. This is every single part of it. The final point is, well, how do you get someone to have an author profile? This is how you do it. Okay, so I'm in a sample website here, and the first thing you're going to do is go to settings, and then you're going to go to permissions. Then what you'll do from here is go to add basic author, and then this is where you could add in the author's details. Now it says here, basic author is just a name you attribute content to, like a guest blogger's name. Unlike contributors, basic authors don't have an account. So I did mention a moment ago that they would need an account, but in this case, you could actually just have an author that does not have an account. And so here you could upload their image, display name, profile, and bio, which is just a really neat feature overall.